My name is Joe.
My name's Joe as well.
Nice to meet you.
What car is this?
It's a mid-century race car called the Lotus 7. Around the 90s, a bunch of companies developed different kits for it. So you end up with like the Caterham Super 7s. That's the same platform being turned into a completely different car. Around the same time, a company called Birkin in South Africa made the Birkin 7 kit. So that's what this is.
Wow.
It's Hayabusa powered.
What? No shit. The Boost is one of my favorite bikes. I was walking up and I was like, "What is this, like a Donkervoot Canterham thing?" Like, you know those? Yeah.
Basically, yeah. It's a Lotus 7 kit. They all look pretty much the same. It's been in my family for about 20 years. It's been sort of hot potatoed from person to person. It was my dad's and my brother's and my dad's again and then mine. It's been in progress for a long, long time. Only recently has it actually started to get driven. This morning, actually, I aligned it and I started tuning the car to try to get it to run just right. It's got a couple weird power draws on it right now. It's still a work in progress. Fuel injected.
Fuel injected, okay.
Most of it had to be custom fabricated because there were a couple kits to fit bike engines into these cars.
Yeah.
But not many good ones.
Right, okay. Basically, everything is custom, basically, right?
Basically, yeah. It's a fun little car. It's got about 200 horsepower. It weighs 1,200 pounds if I'm driving it. 6-speed sequential, revs up to 11,000.
Whoa!
Kept the original transmission from the Busa.
That's mated to the engine, right?
Yep.
Toyos?
Dunlop Dureza Z3s.
Nice, nice.
200 tread-wear, can't go wrong.
Yeah. Can it turn on right now?
Yeah, I can turn it on. Tuning issues and it's still hammering out. Yeah. The air-fuel ratio is really off and it's running lean for a little bit, so it'll have to run lean on acceleration, and when it finally gets fuel, it'll backfire. So if I'm driving it at night, it'll shoot flames, but it sucks to drive it that way, even though it looks cool as hell. All these cool cars like the Cobras and the Daytona Coupes, people take really good chassis that people like to drive, and they're like, okay, what can we do? They're stupid expensive. Let's let people turn them into something crazy, and you end up with shit like this.
Yeah, fucking badass. This thing will gap a Shelby. 100%. Busa power.
Want to go for a little spin around the parking lot?
Oh my god, you bet. Oh my god, oh my god. We're about to go for a little test spin around the lot here. Here we go. Oh shit! Whoa! Oh shit! This is fucking awesome. Holy shit, man.
There we go.
Wow. That was crazy. And I can see why you love fucking driving this thing. This thing is fucking nuts.
I love it, and I hate it, and I hate that I love it. It's a project.
It's a project car, yeah. It's amazing. I'm still catching my breath from that little fucking lap we just did.
You can find my Instagram. It's at _car_gal.
A car gal, and this is her Birkin 7 South African Hayabusa powered crazy fucking death machine, you know, shit your pants thing. Holy fuck, this is amazing. Best car in like 3 years, period. I'm Joey Dang Dang. Follow Low Risk. I'm like, I have the shakes, dude. This is crazy. It's like, holy fuck. God damn.